Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about how to make a vision board that actually works for introverts, not the chaotic Pinterest version with 100 of goals that feel like a KPI dashboard. I have been making vision boards for about 5 years now, and after a lot of trial and error, I discovered something important. Vision boards work for everyone, but introverts need a different approach to create one that feels motivating instead of overwhelming. So if you have ever made a vision board that felt forced or just wrong somehow, this video is going to change your whole experience. I want to clarify something right away. Vision boards do work for introverts. It's the method that often doesn't. Most tutorials say, fill your board with everything you want, go wide on Pinterest, add every dream, every milestone, every detail, and suddenly your board looks like a collage of someone else's loud, hyper-social, extroverted lifestyle. But introverts have different needs. We think deeply, we get overwhelmed faster, we need meaning, not noise. We value energy alignment more than constant action, and that means our vision boards can't be cluttered, stressful, or built from comparison. In 2023, I made a digital vision board that looks like a professional influencer's dream life. 10 million followers, brand trips, daily vlogs, a loud, bubbly online personality, and everything wasn't me. Nothing stuck. I would film and feel drained. I would edit and feel disconnected. I would try to be loud and feel like I was wearing someone else's skin. I remember editing a travel vlog and doing a false influencer's tone voiceover, and halfway through reading the script, my energy dropped to zero. That moment made me uncomfortable because I was chasing a version of success that belonged to someone else. After reading the book Power vs. Force, everything clicked. I wasn't failing, I was forcing. To avoid those mistakes this year, here are my 4 tips for you to apply. Tip number 1. Start with inner quiet, not outer inspiration. Most people start their vision board with Pinterest, but introverts, we need to start with silence. Before you collect images, open your notebook and journal and ask yourself, what does my heart want when I'm not comparing myself to anyone? What kind of day would feel peaceful, satisfying, and nourishing? What lifestyle makes me breathe deeper, not faster? Then write everything down. Don't just think in your head, and you could see what you actually want clearly to set goals. When I sat in silence and asked myself honestly, I realized I love deep work, slow mornings, not wake up at 5 a.m. version, and complete everything by 8 a.m. I love talking head videos where I can be calm and intentional, not holding the camera running along the streets. I don't want to record my entire life. I want peace, not performance. Your inner world is where your real vision lives. Tip number 2. Fewer goals, deeper intentions. Introverts have rich inner worlds. Our brain processes everything deeply, and that's why a crowded board shuts us down. Instead of 20 goals, choose 3 to 5 powerful intentions. For example, create work that feels true to my energy, build a life that supports creativity and rest, protect my mornings, protect my peace, grow intentionally, not reactively. These intentions guide you gently without feeling pressure, and surprisingly, when I removed the pressure goals like 10k TikTok followers and replaced with make content that helps one person, my content improved, my audience grew. Tip number 3. Make a calm, minimal, introvert-friendly board. The vision board should feel like a breath of fresh air, not loud, not cluttered, not overwhelming. Introverts, we need clarity, so give it to yourself. White space, fewer images, bigger meaning, a clean visual structure. I use 4 areas: your mind, your body, creativity or work, relationships. Not too much, just enough to hold the core of my life. A peaceful board leads to a peaceful mind, which leads to aligned action. Tip number 4. Make it deeply personal, not a copy of someone else's life. One of the biggest mistakes I made was copying influencer-style vision boards. Perfect body, perfect homes, perfect social lives, perfect everything. But introverts don't want perfect, we want true. Instead of copying someone else's highlight reels, ask, what life feels like mine? What success feels gentle, not overwhelming? What rhythm feels natural, not forced? When I replaced glam influencer photos with images that matched my life, peaceful workspaces, deep creative flow, slow mornings, meaningful connections, calm success, my board feels like home finally. So how I make my vision board that is realistic and tangible. Step number one, I usually go on Canva and I just create a loose digital draft to see the vibe after I listed all the goals on the paper. And then the step number two is physical board. I usually print out, cut and glue the images in a big A4 notebook or a board. This hands-on process makes me feel like I'm building my actual future, not just thinking about it. Step number three, minimal elements. I avoid clutter because introvert brains already think too deeply, so I use photos, maybe 2-3 words, target numbers only if they matter emotionally. If you feel like it's not colorful enough, throw in some cute stickers. However, don't interrupt the big images for big goals, as again, our introvert brain will feel overwhelmed and distracted. Clean boards keep your nervous system calm, and that calmness fuels action. So here's my personal story. As a creator, I spent a long time trying to be someone I wasn't. I would compare myself to loud, extroverted creators and think maybe I need to be that to grow. I tried daily vlogs, I tried high energy intros, I tried filming everything I did on holiday, and I burnt out every time. At one point, I needed 3 full days to recover from one travel vlog. But when I listened to my introversion, I made peaceful travel vlog with quiet captions. It performed better. I shared a vulnerable talking head story. People subscribed because it felt authentic. I leaned into my calm energy and suddenly creating felt nourishing again. Your introversion is not a limitation, it's your strategy. Now, if you are an introvert creator or just someone wanting a life that feels aligned, make sure you subscribe. I share slow, meaningful strategies to help you grow without losing yourself. Okay, now let's go deeper. Tip number 5 for introvert creator version. This is the part that traditional vision board advice completely ignores. Introverted creators have different struggles. We recharge alone, we dislike pressure, we shut down under noisy goals. We need deep meaning to stay consistent. Our creativity dries up if we pretend to be extroverted. So here are 4 powerful introvert-specific vision board tips that go deeper than anything before. Tip number 1, make energy-based goals, not performance-based goals. Traditional creator boards say, post every day, go viral, grow to 100k followers, say yes to every opportunity. But introverts create best when energy is steady, not hype. So instead, try create from calm energy, produce high quality videos that reflect my inner world, go steady, not explosively, protect my creative mornings. This approach keeps you in power, not in panic. Tip number 2, align your vision with your true creative style. Ask yourself, do I love planning? Do I love scripting quietly? Do I thrive in deep work sessions? Do I prefer doing everything alone? If the answer is yes, then don't put goals that require high social interaction, networking, collaborations every week, brand trips, talking loudly to camera in public. Instead, choose goals that honor your real creative style. Work solo and create something meaningful. Build depth, not hype. Make talking head videos that feel intimate and honest. Invest in quiet mastery, not constant noise. When you honor your introvert creator identity, your creativity becomes powerful instead of drained. Tip number 3, remove extrovert goals disguised as success. These goals trick introverts like the most. I should vlog every holiday, I should join events to grow faster, I should talk loudly and energetically on camera. You don't shoot anything. Success doesn't belong to extroverts. It belongs to people who create authentically. When I stopped forcing these goals, my creativity came back and the videos feel like me again. You can hear it in my voice, right? Anyway, tip number 4, focus on systems instead of numbers. This is the biggest shift. Instead of getting 10k followers, grow to 1k subscriber fast. Ask, what system feels sustainable for my energy? How many videos can I make without burning out? What topics feel natural to talk about regularly? Instead of putting 1k subscribers on YouTube, create 10 meaningful, high-quality videos this year. Numbers follow depth, depth follows energy, and energy follows introvert alignment. Before we finish, I want you to remember this. Your vision board doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to work 100%. It doesn't need to manifest every single thing on it. Life is full of variables. Some goals will come true, some will evolve into something better, some won't happen, and that's okay. Your vision board isn't a KPI. It's not a performance test. It's not something you fail. Its purpose is simple: to give you your heart a direction, to remind you of what matters, to inspire you gently. And when you feel inspired, truly inspired, you naturally move toward your dreams faster than you expected and more peacefully than you imagined. Build a vision board that feels like home, quiet, meaningful, aligned, yours. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.